my name is Danielle. Today I'm going to show you how to salsa to the side and travel, okay? So you're going to step, 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 step that way, step, 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 step. Now when you're going to step, you're going to add your hip. Step, 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 step. Now go the other way, add your hip this way now. Step, 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 step. Now you're going to add your arms. Step, 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 step. Now you're going to put it all together, okay? So we're going to go 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, 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 step. And a lot of the time, you do it on your toes. It makes it a lot easier to work out because a lot of time women are in their high heels or you're just going to be on your toes to get that maximum workout, like in your Zumba classes or your salsa classes, okay? So you're going to step together, step together, step together, step together, add your hips, step together, step together, step together, step together, add your arms together, step together, step together, step